when your heart is feeling heavy and your mind is full of worry. Don't forget, you've made it this far. You never know what's on its way to you. You never know what's up.
Kapag nagsawa ka na sa akin, huwag mong idahilan ang ugali ko. In the first place, may ugali ka rin na inintindi ko para lang tumagal tayo.
I'm just me. I'm not perfect.